Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview MIAOLAN 12-foot by 30-inch frame swimming pool. At 12 foot long and 30 inches wide, this large round frame swimming pool is perfect for playing a game of volleyball or just sitting and chilling. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this swimming pool. Pool extra strong sidewalls are made with 3 separate layers of material. The inner layer of polyester mesh is laminated to the 2 outer heavy gauge PVC layers. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this round frame above ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits. No tools are required to install. It's tear resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. This pool features a rust-resistant frame and PVC sidewalls to protect the pool from UV and abrasion damage. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.